Gemini, a cryptocurrency exchange, gives users their $2.2 billion back after halting withdrawals 18 months prior. Crucial details. Gemini, a cryptocurrency exchange, declared on Wednesday that it would reimburse members of the EARN program, for whom withdrawals were suspended in November 2022. $2.18 billion. It comes after the New York Attorney General and Genesis, Gemini's lending partner, reached a $2 billion settlement meant to restore the wealth of deceived cryptocurrency investors. Clients whose money was frozen in the now-defunct crypto loan scheme of cryptocurrency exchange Gemini will soon begin to receive their money back. The business, which is owned by Internet billionaires Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, declared on Wednesday that it would give members of the EARN program, for which withdrawals were suspended in November 2022, back $2.18 billion of their digital assets. Gemini will email its users on Wednesday, saying, and quote, "Today, we are pleased to let you know that initial EARN distributions, approximately 97% of the digital assets owed to you by Genesis as of the suspension date, November 16, 2022, are now available in your Gemini account." Unquote. All EARN users will receive 100% of their digital assets back in kind as a result of the settlement we reached with Genesis and other creditors in the Genesis bankruptcy. Unquote. The statement reads. The email goes on to say, unquote, "This implies that you will get 1 Bitcoin back if you lent one through the EARN program. Additionally, it implies that since you lent your assets into the EARN program, you will get any and all appreciation in their value." With the $2.18 billion fund payout, members have recovered 232% of their money since Gemini stopped allowing withdrawals for participants of its EARN program 18 months ago. When EARN was first introduced in 2021, users could store their coins in Gemini's program and receive large payouts. Gemini then used Genesis Global Capital, one of its preferred lending partners, to lend its consumers' cryptocurrency to institutional borrowers. Genesis Global Capital stopped issuing new loans and redeeming existing ones in November 2022, which compelled Gemini to stop taking withdrawals from its EARN program. In January of last year, Genesis filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection in federal court in Manhattan. Attorney General Letitia of New York said last week that Genesis had reached a $2 billion deal to reimburse investors who had been duped. NewsphereX Thank you. Please like and subscribe channel. Follow on X at NewsphereX.